Good morning, all of you. Cyber securities and laws lectures. Welcome to all of students. Today's topic discussion on the topic of phishing. Okay, so phishing topic is there. So cyber securities and laws. There is sometimes we have attained the uh, acquired password based systems. Okay, so in this password credit essential financial data or sending the fake emails like message automatically, there will be concept of phishing. So firstly we discuss about the concept of what actually the meaning of phishing. Actually phishing meaning is comparably related to the spam emails, fake emails, or fake messages, or electronically. That can be the concept. Sometimes it words that is the email spoofing is there. So there will be a threat or spam mails are there. Sometimes the mails ask for some confidential data by grabbing trust of the users, or phishing mails generally in forms of trustworthy emails. So there are the usually carried by the email spoofing. So it is and the examples of social engineering. So this completely social engineering examples. Are you getting points, student? So next point in our mind, that is the concept of what exactly the types of this phishing. Okay. So next slide we discuss about the types of the phishing. But phishing actually it is a type of the social engineering. What exactly we are discussing here? Social engineering, where an attacker send the fraudulent. Fraudulent means spoof the message. So designed to trick a human victim into the revealing sensitive informations to the attacker, or the deploy malicious software on the victims infrastructure like ransomware. You almost students know this word, that is the ransomware. Okay, so next thing is that we're discussing the points on what exactly the types of phishing is. In types of phishings, we have listing some of the deceptive phishings, or malware-based phishing, or keylogger or skin logger phishing, session hijacking, web trojan, system recognitions attack, then DNS-based phishing, and content injection phishing. So one by one, we're discussing about what exactly the deceptive phishing. So deceptive phishing, it is the sending of the emails, messages, which make user to click any one of the bulk emails. Such types of attack called as a deceptive phishing. So sending the bulk of the emails, it is related to the deceptive phishing. Next type, that is the malware-based phishing. In malware-based phishing, running malicious softwares on targets or users' machine. So their malware comes from the emails attachment. So running a malicious software, it is one of the kinds of malware-based phishing. The next type, that is the keylogger and screen logger. Keylogger and screen logger malware attack inputs from keyboards and send the information of target through targets keyboards to hackers via internet. So keyloggers and screen loggers, it is through the internet system. Then session hijacking. Session hijacking, user activities are monitored to log in into the user system. So login into the user system, it is related to the points of session hijacking. Then web trojan. Web trojan, it is related to the pop-ups. So login into the website. So web trojan, they are kind of the pop-ups when logging into some of the websites, and this pop-up usually asks for user credential. Then system configurations attack. So this attack is the types of phishing attacks where user PC settings are modified or changed whenever we change the PCs. Then DNS-based phishing, that is the URL request type of the phishing in URL requesting. So return to the some bogus or some fake website which is actually sent by the hackers by changing the URL of the request side of the user. And then lastly, that is the content injection phishing. So that is the act of the inserting some malicious content in the website which can redirect to some other websites, or maybe install some of the malware system. So these are the some basic types of the phishing. Then in our mind, the working of the phishing concept. In working of the phishing concept is related to the concept of first planning, then setup, then attacks, and collections and identity theft on forward. In planning, the steps of the planning is to decide the target and plan how to get through the target's mail. This is generally done using the mass mailing. And then setup, it is one of the phishing comes to know who to spoof or attack using emails. Then it will be a start creating delivering message to collect the data from the targets. So that is the concept of firstly planning and setup. Then attack is there. The phisher attack start. In these attacks, phisher attacks start sending the message. Emails appears on the reputed recognition. Sending emails. Emails is the biggest way of the attacking. Then collections. Phisher collect the information that victims enter the websites or emails or pop-up window which are created by attackers. So identify the thefts and it will be a forwarded. And lastly, there is the identity thefts on forward, that after gathering the information, they can start misusing informations for illegal uses. So that is the concept of identifying theft. So this is the complete concept of the phishing, how we can be identify and how it will be managed. So this is topic based on cyber securities concept, and topic is the phishing. So if any students have doubt about the phishing, so basically phishing is depending the points like types of the phishings and working of that actually phishing concept. So lastly, we discussing the points we have taken out, that is the what exactly the meaning of phishing. So it is related the concept of social engineering, and we got the some words like email spoofing, that is the fake message or fake emails that can be a control. So all these concepts related to the phishing. So once again, thank you all of you.